Hello, my name is Rich Erkins with Audio Video Extremes. I just wanted to drop you a little note on a very important law that's being proposed in Minnesota. No more phones in the vehicles. Now, don't jump the shark. What I mean by no more phones is you have to use hands-free devices, Bluetooth, or in our cases, we've already moved our entire fleet of vehicles over to Bluetooth as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The benefit of both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay allows our employees to communicate with us hands-free, whether it's text messaging or voice, but yet it allows them to keep their eyes on the roads. Keeps them safe, keeps us safe. We at Audio Video Extremes have just recently installed car starters actually that allow us to do GPS tracking on our vehicles. So it allows us to know when our employees are moving from one location to the next and predict when they're going to be at the next customer's house. So if they're coming late or having an issue, we're able to let the client know. With the efficiency, it allows us to give a much better customer experience. If you're a business owner or a fleet manager, you really should be looking into hands-free systems, whether it be Bluetooth, Android Auto, or Apple CarPlay. Plus, having that GPS capabilities just makes efficiency and peace of mind happen.